Hey guys, this is Xavier with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm at CES 2020 with Kelly from Lenovo, and we're taking a look at this really cool Chromebook. That's right, I said Chromebook, not iPad, not Android tablet, even though it looks like that at first glance. What is this all about, Kelly?
Yeah, so this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook. So this is a detachable Chromebook that allows you to both, get some productivity done, but also, take in some entertainment. Traditionally, Lenovo has been very focused on education Chromebooks.
Right, and my son's using them at summer camps for coding camps, Lego camps, etc. But this is
not
really
everybody
slick
wants the rubber bumpers or the pry-proof keys or needs those things. So this offers more versatility in terms of form factor. You can detach the keyboard, you can detach the kickstand, use it as a tablet, but all these attachments come in box with it for a price of $279.
Now, $279 for a Chromebook is pretty standard fare. You can get cheaper if you're willing to go budget. Really plasticky feels though. But my students, the Chromebook, I think it was a $240, $250 range Chromebook for the school year, did not feel anything like this. I mean, this feels like a premium device. It comes with this keyboard, and I could see my kid really enjoying this a lot more than what he has. Now, you go into tablet mode, as you mentioned, and as I did that, it just sort of went into a more tablet-y looking UI. Is that right?
Exactly. It's going to change UI depending on whether you have keyboard connected and set up to be used that way, or if you disconnect it, it's going to change it, depending on how it's being used.
If we take that keyboard off, this is it.